that tone, I know that stuff. Alley walls don't carry sound, just throw it back when no one's around. Used to think it meant something then, now it just loops again. Mirror Park in the late night glow, same bench where I used to go. Neon flickers, cuts too thin, doesn't hide what's underneath it. Lit a match just to watch it burn, thought maybe I'd feel something return, but it died out quick in my hand. Didn't change where I stand, I hear it in the hollow sound of heaven. No answer back, no second guessing, just that space where something should be, but it never speaks to me. Hollow sound of heaven stays in the quiet of these days. I don't shout, I don't pretend, just listen, and it don't end. I used to think if I asked enough, if I stayed down long enough, if I said it right, meant it clean, it might turn into something real. But it never came like they all said. No voice, no sign, no sense of it. Just me standing where I've been. Same place, same question again. And maybe that's the part I missed. It don't answer, it just exists. I don't chase it like before, don't knock on that same door. Still feel it in certain nights, that space between wrong and right. Write it out in lines I keep, things I don't say when I speak. Not a prayer, not a plea, just something that sits in me. I hear it in the hollow sound of heaven. No answer back, no second guessing, just that space where something should be, but it never speaks to me. Hollow sound of heaven stays in the quiet of these days. I don't shout, I don't pretend, just listen, and it don't end. Sound of heaven, not a voice, just something present. Not a sign, not a release, just the shape of what won't speak. Hollow sound of heaven, mine, in the space between the lines. If there's something I believe, it's the silence stays with me. If there's something out there still, it don't bend, it don't will, it just stays where I've been, in that hollow sound within.